So oversight, yeah, so once we've got to that damp-proof course phase, so the brickwork comes up off the footing and we get to that damp-proof course, DPC, that's when we'd be looking to do the oversight. We would have already reduced this, we would have dug that down to a certain depth depending on what the spec is, and then now we need to fill it back up basically. So we want to be depending what it is. So if it's going to be a solid floor, it'd be basically a mixture of hardcore concrete and plastic and insulation to build it up. But if it's going to be a suspended floor, so like a concrete lintel floor, if you like. The real term is block and beam, but you know, if you know what a lintel is, then it's basically like big lintels with blocks in between, and it's a suspended floor. You're going to want to see a void basically underneath that. It's usually about 300 mil, down to I like to do concrete, so you know 300 mil from the bottom of the beam down to concrete, and the concrete is just like a slab, like a 100 mil slab that goes pretty much straight to the dirt, stops anything coming through. And that's kind of the two floors you'll probably see in this sort of renovation: solid floor or a suspended concrete floor. You might get a wooden floor, same aspects as the lintel, floor. You know, the block and beam floor. You can have that 300 mil gap. Basically, you want to make an airflow. You'll see air bricks around the outside of the building, just below the damp proof. Basically to allow air to go underneath them from one end of the house to the other, keeps it nice and dry, so no damp basically.